Hi Jet, let's show how to use two switch panel control the lighting. The panel 1 connect the lighting directly. We only use 2 gain, but the switch panel can control the 4 gain. And panel 2 didn't connect to the lighting. So panel 1 can directly control the lighting, turn on, off. But panel 2, no, didn't work. Okay, let's show how to match them and achieve the panel 2 also working. First, turn on off the panel and then non-press until the red indicator flash. Press the second panel. It works. Adjust the dimming. 调一下光。Great, successfully.